You're having issues with your Xbox controller connecting to your console. So what I'm going to do today is show you a 5-step process of how to resolve this issue. First thing you're going to want to do is check the batteries in your controller. So in this one I have a battery in this, so rechargeable battery from Xbox. Put a link to that in the description. But basically you want to make sure it's seated right, lined up. That's the first stage. So the second stage, you want to try and reconnect via the buttons, the sync buttons. So first of all, press the button down in the bottom right hand corner until it starts flashing, and then get your controller, turn it on, and then hold this button here on the top left, that controller, and then they'll both sync up. Third step is to use a USB cable. You will want a USB cable with a USB-C for Series X controller and just a USB micro for Xbox One controller. You don't want to plug that into the USB port there. Get your controller, plug it in there. Now if that doesn't work, the next step is to update the controller via the console. So you want to go into settings, go to your accessories and devices and connections, go down to these 3 buttons here and select this option. Currently I don't need an update, but if it's available it will show up there. Go ahead like that. And there you go, no updates are needed, and if that should help fix it. The final step would be to power off your console completely. So it will shut down. Yep, completely shut down. And then you're gonna once it's powered down, you want to unplug your console for at least 10 seconds and then start these steps again once it's booted up.